Hi everybody, all my followers, be welcome to another video. Right, first I would like to apologize for my voice. I'm a little bit rough. I just woke up, been working nights, and I'm a little bit tired, but the guy needs the car, or he wants to pick up the car, and I really need to get this done. So title, thumbnail, one of them will tell you what we're going to be doing here. So we're going to be attempting to program a new key for this car. Now, I was told that the original key, which is this key, as you're going to see, let me show you. And he starts the car. And actually, let's kind of put it on the car and see if he comes up with what the guy told me. He told me that it comes up with a key fob battery low or something like that. Let's see if he comes up with that. The guy was scared that the car would fail to start. I explained to him that the car would always start, even with no battery on a remote. The only thing would be obviously the central locking. The remote central locking would stop working, but the immobilizer system would still work. Oh, he's not coming up with that for some reason, but the guy says he comes up with that every now and then. So the guy also wants me to replace the case on this key. It's a little bit in bad shape as well, so you want me to replace this and the battery, so I will be doing that at a later stage. But because he needs the car, and I'm gonna have to order the bits for this anyway, he also wants, and that way he can leave me this key, he also wants a new key. So no guys, this is not a original key, it's one of those aftermarket keys. I never programmed one for an E92. I've done one for a F series, which was that? It was a F13, I think. I've not done a video for it, but if you follow me on Patreon, I put a I posted a few pictures in there. So it doesn't have the BMW logo, as you can see. I'm not gonna reuse that. That's crap anyway. So when I get the new shell for this key, I'm gonna get the stickers with the BMW logo, and we will put them in here at a later stage. But for now, this is just to program it. This is the exact same key, but being aftermarket is the one that has this little cover here at the back, so you can just replace the battery as you would do on any normal key fob, no longer these rechargeable ones. So yeah, we're gonna try to program the key using obviously the IM608. Again, as I said, I've never done for this car, so bear in mind that when I go through this process. I've done it for the F13. I'm gonna guess the process is gonna be similar, although on the F13 I think the IM608 had to downgrade the software on the cars in order to be able to pull the ISN. I think it was, I can't remember now correctly, but I think it was something along those lines. Anyway, let's gonna fire up the IM608, plug everything, and go from there. But actually, first, let me do something here. Actually, while we are on camera, just so you can see that this key is not programmed. So the first thing I'm gonna do is gonna be putting the, I think it's like that. I still need to go and cut the key. I haven't cut the key yet. Let me put the battery. Okay, so as you can see, the key has a new battery. It does nothing. We will be confirming in a bit that the key is obviously working. Let me put the key in the ignition so you can see that it's going to come up with the wrong key. Oh, actually, there we go. So wrong key. Okay. And obviously it doesn't lock the key in the slot. So let's gonna fire everything up and carry on. Okay, so this is the main menu, but just before we go anywhere, I just wanted to confirm that I got the right key, frequency wise, because otherwise I don't want to program it. This is supposed to be, oh, you're not going to be able to see maybe. It's difficult to see on camera. Maybe they're right at the top, right underneath my thumbnail. Is 868 megahertz. You can't really see, it's too worn out, but it's 868. We're going to confirm that over here just to make sure. And obviously I want to make sure I got the right key, the right frequency. I bought it as being a remote detection frequency detection. So I'm going to use the original key first. Okay. Okay, 868. There we go. And the car locked. 820. Now I'm going to use the new key. Okay. Oh, you must be kidding me. Oh no. Scared me now. 868. What's going on? Be odd. 820. Why it comes up at 400 sometimes? Really weird. Well, it throws me at 868, so I'm gonna guess it's gonna be good. I bought it as being 868, so let's gonna just move on now into programming the key, which is, we're gonna come back out of here completely. Yes, and we're gonna go immobilizer. DME, these glare again. Okay, so let's gonna accept this. It's gonna go to European BMW. Okay, so let's gonna do a automatic selection. Let me put, oh dear. Okay, ignition on. Let's read the VIN. Okay, let's press OK. E92, as I said. There we go. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so let's gonna go to key add, guided. That's fine. Okay. Ignition on. That's okay. Is a semi-smart key because this is not the keyless entry. It's just a normal key. Remove the key. If it's a smart key, take it out of the car. So let's gonna remove the key. Because it's not a smart key, I'll just put it here on my lap. Otherwise, I'll have to take it out of the car. Okay, so let's gonna go press the front start. Okay, let's gonna press. So let's gonna put the key on the slot, just like that. It's reading the key, I guess. We had a key lock warning. Okay, so let's gonna try that. Let's put this key here. Let's take the new key out and try to start the car. There we go. Car started. Beautiful. Let's turn it off. Take the key out. Let me check the remote. Yep. Let me check that the old key still working. Yeah, let's try to start the car with the old key. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Let's try the new key once more. Okay, the new key. What else? Spot on. So let's just press OK. Yes, you can. Success. Don't know if it's gonna do anything else, or if it's just going to stay here. It's just gonna stay here now. It's gonna press escape. Right. Straightforward, really. It couldn't be any easier. I think even my daughter could have done this. Right, so yeah, that's how you program a new key for a BMW E92 in this case. I'm not sure which CAS is on this. I could have checked. It's probably either the CAS 3 or CAS 3 Plus. And that's it. Now I'm just going to cut the key and then order these little labels. And when I get them, I'll give them to the owner to stick them in here. As I said, the guy now wants this. Now that we have an extra key, he wants this key to be repaired, refurbished. I'm not going to do a video for that. I've done one. I've done a few already, I think. Not for the BMW, I think, but I've done for a 7 Series key. Just search on my channel. The process is exactly the same. So yeah, so with no further ado, guys, that's it. That's how you program a key for a BMW E92 using the IM608. With no further ado, hope you learned something. Hope there's some information on this video you can find useful. If you do have any questions, any comments, please put them below. And like always, thanks for watching. But the guy needs the car, and I just want to get these out of the way for now. Right, what I was saying. Yeah, so what was I saying? Right, be welcome to another video. Right, thumbnail title will tell blah blah.